students, today we're going to learn how to solve a system of simultaneous linear equation graphically. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables, where x and y are the variables, a, b and c are the constants. Two linear equations in two variables taken together, it is called system of simultaneous linear equation. The solution of the system of simultaneous linear equation, it is represented using ordered pair xy and which satisfies both the linear equations. To solve simultaneous linear equations graphically, we first draw the separate graph of two equations. Then the intersection point of the two straight lines. That point satisfies both the equation and it is the solution of the pair of simultaneous equations. Let's understand the concept by taking one example. Solve graphically the system of linear equations x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 3. As usual, let us consider one of the equation x plus y equal to 5 and we're going to find a table or forming a table which satisfies x and y. X plus y equal to 5. This equation we can write in the form y is equal to minus x plus 5. And you know that here x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. Let's form a table which satisfies this equation. When x is equal to 1, from the given equation y is equal to minus x plus 5, y will be 4. For x is equal to 2, y will be 3. For x is equal to 3, y will be 2. And for x is equal to 4, y will be 1. Using the second equation x minus y equal to 3, we are going to form another table. X minus y equal to 3 and we can write the equation as y is equal to x minus 3. X is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. When forming the table, we'll get the table like this. When x is equal to 1, y will be minus 2. When x is equal to 2, y will be minus 1. When x is equal to 3, y is 0. And when x is equal to 4, y is 1. To construct straight lines, let's consider a Cartesian plane. This is the Cartesian plane and we have marked the Cartesian plane as x o x dash and y o y dash. To construct the straight lines, we are taking the tables here. For the given set of equations, x minus y is equal to 3 and x plus y equal to 5. Then we're going to plot the points. From the first set, the points is 1, 4. Let it be P14. P14 you can mark here. The next point, it is Q 2, 3. We can mark the point here is Q, 2, 3. Then capital R, 3, 2. This point will be here. It's R, 3, 2. The next one it is S, 4, 1. You can mark the point here. It is S, 4, 1. So, the considered points are plotted in the Cartesian plane. Let's join these points. When you join the points, we got the graph of the straight line x plus y equal to 5. This is the straight line x plus y equal to 5. Let's do the same process for the second straight line x minus y equal to 3. Here the points are, the first point is 1 minus 2, say A 1 minus 2. It is A 1 minus 2. The second point B 2 minus 1. It is B 2 minus 1. Then the point is C 3 0. We know that in the ordered pair, when y coordinate equal to 0 and x coordinate exists, it will be in the x-axis. So the point C 3 0 in the x-axis, and this is the point C. And the last point is D 4 1. This point we can mark here, D 4 1. Let's join these points together, and we got the straight line for the equation x minus y equal to 3. From the graph, we can see that the two lines intersect at the common point. This is the common point. From the two separate tables, it is S41 and D41, it intersect or coincide. So, the two straight lines x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 3 intersect at the common point 4, 1. So, the point of intersection of the straight lines x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 3 is 4, 1. Let's solve another problem. Use graphical method to find the value of x, for which the expressions 3x plus 2 by 2 and 3 by 4x minus 2 are equal. Let's consider these expressions separately and we'll try to construct lines using these two algebraic expressions. For that, consider the expression 3x plus 2 by 2 as the equation y is equal to 3x plus 2 by 2. Here, x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. When you substitute the values for x, you can find values for y. The table corresponding to this equation is, for the value of x, y is 4, and for the value of x 4, y is 7, and for minus 2, it is minus 2. Consider the next expression as y is equal to 3 by 4x minus 2. The table for this equation is, when x equal to 4, y equal to 1. When x equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 5. And for x is equal to 8, y is equal to 4. Let's draw the lines. For that, we are taking a coordinate plane or Cartesian plane. Let us mark the axis as x, o, x dash, y, o, y dash. Then we are going to mark the numbers in the axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in the left side there will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. In the upward portion there will be positive values for y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here negative values as -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. For our convenience, we are going to take the equation with the tables. Let us mark the points here. The first point we are going to consider is 2, 4 from the first table. The point 2, 4 is here, and I can give the name as say P. The next one, it is 4, 7. It will be here 4, 7. Let it be Q. And the last one, it is -2, -2. We can mark the point here. It is R. Now, let's join these points together. This is the line for the equation y is equal to 3x plus 2 by 2. Let's consider the next equation y is equal to 3 by 4x minus 2. The first point is 4, 1. Let's mark the point 4, 1 here, and I'm going to give the name as M. The second point, it is -4, -5. Yes, -4, -5 is here. Let it be N. One more point is there. It is 8, 4. The point 8, 4 is, yes, here MNO. Now, we are going to join these points together. This is the straight line of the equation y is equal to 3 by 4x minus 2. You can see from the graph that the two lines y is equal to 3x plus 2 by 2 and y is equal to 3 by 4x minus 2 intersect at the point N, and the point N is -4, -5. So, the two straight lines intersect at -4, -5. In the question, they asked to find the value of x for which the expression 3x plus 2 by 2 and 3 by 4x minus 2 are equal. These two expressions will be equal for a common value of x. So we can take the value -4 as the common point or common value for x. So the value of x is -4. Thank you, dear children.